Hello everyone, Fred Bergeron from INAXSys. I hope you're having a great day today. I want to introduce you a product that we just received from our friends at ICT. Basically, when you're installing a system, enterprise class system like Protege GX, you don't want to use a cheap cable for the communication between the modules and also the communication between the readers and the reader expanders and controllers, because it's going to, at some point, cause you problems and you're going to have to go back to site, maybe replace cabling after the fact, and it's at your own cost, right? So basically what we introduce now today with you is the new FT6 cable from ICT. It's designed for RS-485, all right? So basically, you can use this cable from, for the communication bus line with the modules and the card readers, whether if it's OSDP or our ICT RS-485, right? Some people are currently using Cat5, which can work okay at a certain distance, but very short. Otherwise, then the voltage will drop fairly quickly. And also the cable that doesn't have the impedance, it's not designed for RS-485. So basically what we're bringing to the table here is to allow you to buy all the in-rail equipment from us. You can also buy the cable, right? So you have everything you need before going to a new job site when you can install these products. Again, you want a fully stable system, you want an enterprise class system that works every single shot. When you badge a card, you want the access granted to happen right away. You don't want delays, you don't want latency, you don't want modules to drop offline. That's going to lead to service calls and a very unsatisfied client, right? So basically, this is, let me bring the technical stuff to me. This is designed for OSDP and RS-485. It's 120 ohms, basically designed to match the same impedance as the hardware of our reader expanders. There is an overall shield to protect the data from the noise. It's a twisted pair for data and it's stranded. Okay, so this is very important. It's not a solid core, it's basically stranded cable. The communication pair is 24 gauge and the power, the power pair is 18 gauge. So just to give you an idea, we compared Cat6 and this FT6 cable at 1,000 feet. The Cat6 adds 6 volts instead of 13.8, let's say, at the power supply, and the 18 gauge still had 10.5 volts after 1,000 feet, which is maybe a bit low in some occasions, but still the modules still function. Okay, so obviously you can see now that you can go very far with this cable using the same cable for card readers and modules. So you have only one type of cable to keep in stock when you do access control and security with ICT Protege GX and WX. So again, we have this in stock at our Montreal warehouse. And if you want some pricing information or more technical details, you can contact your sales rep. We have reps across Canada available to answer your questions, okay? So again, this is in stock in Montreal, new FT6 cable from ICT that INAXSys is now selling to you, all right? Thanks for watching. My name is Fred Bergeron from INAXSys. See you soon.